So what's up? So today I want to talk about the metronome. So we're all trying to practice music, but how to practice with the metronome is super important. And the reason it's super important is because by having a stronger sense of pulse and rhythm, you will get to be a better musician. Every musician that we admire, whether it's rock, pop, jazz, hip hop, the sense of pulse and rhythm is quite astounding. If you want to bring your craft to the next level, you need to understand the grid, the pulse, the rhythm, and relate to it. So by practicing with the metronome in a correct way, we can make it happen. Pluck that like button and subscribe to get more stuff of how to practice and why. So what does that mean? What is the correct way? So first, we need to understand that rhythm is not something that's like beating over there outside far, right? So if I have this good friend, the metronome, and this thing is clicking and beating, right? So it's not just this like random thing. This is a band. This is a groove, you know? So I need, when I'm practicing, to make this thing, this band, sounds good. So my purpose when I'm practicing, whether it's a scale or an arpeggio or a line or chord progression, when I'm practicing with the metronome, I want to make the metronome sound good. Okay? First thing I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go over one note and we'll do some subdivision. We'll sing it, we'll play it on one string, and then we'll play it on a scale. We'll do that together. So now I'm gonna cover the metronome. So when I'm playing a note, I'll just play chord notes and I'm gonna try to align it right on the click. I'm gonna try to feel it and really breathing in the time and rhythm so it's internalized as much as possible. 3, 4, do it with me. Okay, so this is chord notes. Now I'm gonna play chord note triplets, which would feel like this. Now this is basically a little cross rhythm, which is called, 3 against 4, 2 against 3. It sounds like this. So you're feeling 1, 2, 1, 2 versus 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the most basic cross rhythm music, and this is something that if you haven't tried before, start practicing that just by playing this pulse. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So filling it from the 2 side or from the 3 side. If this is unclear, we can talk about it more. Just leave a comment and I'll talk about it more. Alright, going forward. So we did chord notes, chord note triplets. Now we'll do 8 notes. If you want to get awesome at guitar, please subscribe and I'll share more tips with you guys and we'll make it happen. 3, 8 notes. 4. So simply dividing the beat into 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Try to be balanced and equal as much as possible. 3, 1, 2, 3, triplet. 1, 2, 3, ta-ki-ta, ta-ki-ta. 4, 60 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Ta-di-ki-na-tu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-di-ki-na-tu. Ta-di. 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Taki-ta, 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 taki-ta. 7. Taka-dimi, taki-ta, taka-dimi, taki-ta, taka-dimi, taki-ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Taka-dimi, taki-ta, taka-dimi, taki-ta, taka-dimi, taka-ta. 8. Taka-dimi, 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 taka-dimi. Back. Taka-dimi, taki-ta, tak. Taka-dimi, taki-ta, taka-dimi, taki-ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Taki-ta, taki-ta. 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-di-ki-na-tu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ta. Ta. harder when you sing it and play it at the same time, and video. But what I suggest is first make sure you can sing it separately. So I'll do it right now together. Then I would play it on one string like we just did together, and I would not sing and play at the same time. Actually, that's much harder. It's not really necessary. I would just make sure I can sing it, then I make sure I can play it, and then I would make sure I can play it in context of a scale or something of that nature. So let's just sing it one time. Let's sing it together. We'll do quarter note triplets, 8 notes, triplets, 16 notes, quintuplets, sextuplets, septuplet, and 30-second notes. Ta, 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 taki, ta, taki, ta, taki, ta, taki, takadimi, 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 tadekinatum, 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 tadeki, taki, ta, 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 taki, takadimi, taki, ta, takadimi, taki, ta, takadimi, taki, ta, takadimi, taki, takadimi, 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 taki, ta, takadimi, taki, ta, takadimi, taki, takadimi, taki, ta, taki, ta, taki, ta, taki, ta, taki, ta, taki, ta, taki, taki, ta, tadekinatum, 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 tadekin, takadimi, 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 taki, ta, taki, ta, taki, ta, taki, ta, 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 ta. So I'm gonna put a little drone behind me just to hear that G. We talked about it before. I want to hear that relationship with every note I'm playing. So even if I'm playing and working on subdivisions, I would try to hear that center. So now, if you pluck that like button and subscribe to get more guitar stuff. I have never tried and never played subdivision, so I would not do everything together. I would first work on the subdivision, make sure you understand you got it, and then I would incorporate other elements like sing the root or different elements like that. So now we're gonna play G major scale with a drone, 50 BPM, with a subdivision together. Quarters. Quarter triplet. 8 notes. You can go up the neck. And then descend. Or you can stay in one position, it's awesome too. Triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 16. Takadimi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Tadekinatum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tadekinatum, tadekinatum, takita, 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 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, takita, takita. Pluck that like button and subscribe to get more guitar value for your enjoyment. First, I would just make sure I can sing it, so like putting a click and saying ta, ta, you know, just subdividing. Then do the same thing on one string like we just did, like playing the time without singing, and then playing it in context of a scale or an arpeggio or an exercise. Then The next step is to put it in musical context, so making some music with it. If you guys want, you can leave a comment with your video under 60 seconds and I'll check it out. You can just put it in the video comments. Please comment, please like, please share this, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much.